This is a Kenmore washing machine. It's a Series 90. It's kind of top of the line for about the late mid-1990s. This one currently leaks quite a bit, and I'm going to show you how to take it apart and put it back together, and a couple of possible reasons as to why it leaks. It's usually because of the hoses or the drum itself. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make absolutely sure that your washing machine is unplugged from the wall socket, completely unplugged. And then you're going to look at the ends of your washing machine over here, and you're just going to kind of take these plastic guys off. They clip off quite easily. You have to work with it a little bit on this side. And we kind of have these little clips on the side, so I'll be a little bit aware of that. And then you're going to unscrew these little screws here. One's a little rusty, and this one as well. And then then what you're going to do is you're going to loosen this up a little bit, and there's sliders under here. They're kind of like little teeth that go into the base of this, and you can see them right there. Just pick this right up, just kind of flip it over, see how loose it is, and then you want to take it and flip it over. Careful, and there are all the wonderful components in there. You're eventually going to need to take this guy out. What you can do is just want to take the little clip here at the end, and you're going to clip that up so it pops right off. Show you a little close up of it. And you take it, just pop it right up. Okay, as soon as you get this little guy out, what you're going to do is you're just going to take a screwdriver and you're going to get these clamps off. They hold up the back end of the unit. And what you do is you just take a screwdriver, and I put it in the base of it, and I just pop it right out like that, and pop off. Do the same to the other side, the base like that. Pops right off really easy. As they clamp down here, I don't think that's a really good spot. I think that was good. Move those aside. Don't use those. Alright, so now you're going to want to pull the dishwasher out from the drum itself. And in order for that to happen, let's lift this guy up. And we do have to remove one thing, and it's this guy, and it's easy to remove. Push on one end, lifts out, and now it's completely released, just like so. And I have all the way to the floor. You can see the innards, and these hoses can leak here. Those here, you can see down there. These hoses also leak. In fact, my leak in this hose, I believe it's somewhere around here. So I'm going to run it, and when I see if I can identify the leak in one of those hoses. There's also, way down below, a large exhaust hose that can leak from there. And I replaced mine with metal clamps. It goes all the way over to where the pump is. It can also leak on the exhaust outlet as well. Okay, so I've come to realize that this is actually the culprit. This crack right here in the hose. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a big crack on this hose. And actually cracked on this side as well, and it came out of a port right here. You can see it, and it wound up going up into this port, and did buy a replacement tube at Home Depot, and this should work just fine. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and replaced the clamp. The other one was getting a bit rusty from probably the many months of leaking. I'm just doing a inspection, got them all back together, ran a cycle, and it doesn't seem to be any water in the floor, so that's good. No water.